What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a cryptocurrency that can easily 10x your money extremely quickly. Before I get into the crypto though, and why I'm so excited about it, I did want to talk briefly about the cryptocurrency markets as a whole. We have a 1.64 decrease over the last 24 hours in price, but there is no reason to be scared because, as you guys can see, our 7-day trends are actually quite strong across the board in the crypto markets. We have a 3%, almost a 3% trend with Bitcoin on the 7-day. We also have Binance almost at 7% on the 7-day. Bitcoin Cash, people don't realize Bitcoin Cash is up 6.1% in the 7 days. So there's a lot of cryptos right now, a lot of great buying opportunities across the board. We do see some blood in the 7-day period, but this for me is a great buying opportunity. You guys already know that I'm watching for the big picture bull market to continue. And when we zoom out here in the big picture trend, this is really just getting started with cryptocurrency. This is another massive cycle, just like we saw in 2017 and the beginning of 2018. And we're getting ready for a massive upswing in crypto that could last multiple years. So there are lots of opportunity. There's tons of money to be made. There's a ton of places that you can put your money and pull it back out. But there is one place today that I'm very excited. There's some massive updates about this project. You guys, GSX is my favorite gold-backed cryptocurrency, and today I wanted to give you guys a few updates and give you some information as to why it's so important that you guys check out this pre-sale. There's really only an hour and 36 minutes with this bonus. Either way, you guys, if you're getting in with the pre-sale, even if you miss in the next hour, although I highly recommend, and I'm going to be editing this video as quickly as possible, that you guys do. There's value getting in, even if it's after this next hour, because this project is so amazing, you guys. What they're doing with contracts, with connecting a cryptocurrency to actual gold mines, backing cryptocurrency with precious metals. I love this idea. One of the things that the US dollar is very unattractive, one of the features of the US dollar that's very unattractive is the fact that it is no longer backed by gold. And seeing a cryptocurrency kind of take that spot and develop technology around this idea really gives me a lot of hope, a lot of excitement for the future of our economies as our planet. Because if we can start backing stuff with actual backed precious metals, with mines, this will really go a long way to give people trust inside of their cryptos. And that's what GSX is all about. Yes, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is technically a trustless system. Well, GSX is bringing trust back into the idea of cryptocurrency and currency as a whole. And what I like about that is the fact that there are some systems in place that we do want to have contracts. We want to be able to have a trusted system in place. We can actually trust the fact that this is backed by precious metals. So I think there's value in the trustless blockchains, but I also think there's a lot of value in blockchains that are backed by physical things. And for maybe the people that are older that are watching these videos, I know I have a lot of people, a lot of demographics of people over 35. You guys already know how important investing in silver and gold is. You've seen the economy crash before. You've seen gold rise. You've seen oil rise. You've seen commodities rise, things that are actually physically valuable in times of economic uncertainty and fear. And so that's why GSX, another reason why it's so cool. Now there's some breaking news today actually that I'm excited to share with you. I have exclusive information. This is literally top secret, but I'm going to be sharing it with you guys today because I got the okay from them, from the official team. They are adding a $1.7 billion copper mine. So this is expanding very quickly, and this is all in the pre-sale still. So you can imagine what's going to happen after the pre-sale is they add more mines. You guys can already see that we have $1.4 billion in backing already. So another $1 billion in backing. It really blows my mind. This is an exciting time to be part of the GSX project. I'm super thankful for the team reaching out to me. I'm excited to see where this project goes. You guys can use my link in the description to go ahead and sign up for the pre-sale. This benefits both of us. You guys, as you can see, we're just at the very beginning of the timeline. We have in 3 to 4 months the official launch sale. We have the first gold milling operation. We have 3 months after the sell, which is another backing goal of $7 billion. And that's just to get started, you know? There's even 6 months after the sell. We have more mining operations being added. We have more. Look, the first nickel mining operation 2 years in with over $20 billion in asset backing. So it grows not only very consistently and very profitably, but it's also very stable. So this is a project you could easily 10x your money, investing in the pre-sale now. And that's just, you know, in the near future. Who knows what this project could do in 2, 3, 4 years time if you give it a little bit of time to mature. But maybe you're just somebody that likes to flip these and you just want to put some money in and take it out after the sale. There's a lot of money to be made along this timeline. And whether you're a long-term investor in stuff like this, or whether you're just looking for a quick flip to 10x your crypto, I really like GSX as a whole. Everybody that has followed me all through this year knows that I promoted BDAO. And for everybody that followed the BDAO, I had people reach out to me telling me they made $10,000, $20,000 off of the BDAO project. And this to me is a very similar opportunity, a very massive opportunity. So I'm thankful to be sharing this with you guys today. There's a couple things I want to show you here. This is a video of the actual mines. So as you can see, I'm going to turn the music down a little bit so I can talk about it. As you guys can see, they're actually shifting through dirt right now. This is one of the things that I really like about the GSX crypto project as a whole, is they actually have some video footage of these mines, of people working at these mines. It's super cool to see this live footage. And that's transparency. That's one of the things that I really like about Ledger technology, is the idea of transparency. And when you're taking something like an actual gold mine and you're connecting it with a cryptocurrency and you're merging these two and backing the crypto with the mine and the gold, it is awesome to be able to see them mining, to be able to see physical proof of the mine operating. And this is the official Apollo FinTech channel, so you guys can check them out. Subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and subscribe right now. And you guys definitely make sure that you're a subscriber to the Apollo FinTech channel and checking out their updates and their videos. We're going to go ahead and watch this little video here. It's about 3 minutes long. I might pause or skip a couple parts, but we'll get the general gist of some updates on what's going on. But yeah, you guys, that $1.6 billion copper mine, or 1.7, I can't remember. It's either 1.6 or $1.7 billion. Who cares? Over $1 billion copper mine is being added, and that is exclusive information that you're only going to be hearing from this source. So go ahead and check out this video with me right now.
Introducing gold secured currency, better known as GSX, the first of a new genre of currencies called growth coins. A growth coin combines all of the best elements of a stable coin, an investment coin, and a traditional cryptocurrency into one secured currency. The benefits: 1. It's backed. GSX is trust-backed by land rights and gold. The starting value has been set with the assets backing GSX, now with many large-scale mines and refineries being added. These include a number of future alluvial and hard rock gold mines, copper mines, a tantalum mine, a nickel mine, and a lithium mine. 2. Trust ownership.
I don't think people realize how big copper is. The fact that we're going into a digital revolution, I don't think people realize that all of the Bitcoin miners that were using to mine Bitcoin, the trustless system that everybody loves, actually we have to trust copper mines in order to have these miners exist, because copper mines give us the materials necessary to build these computers, to build these ASIC processors, to actually compute that data. So it all comes from minerals on our earth. So them adding a copper mine to this really has me fired up today, because I know the real world value that is required to even make the computer that I'm making this video with today. We have to have these minerals, you guys. And if we want cryptocurrency to expand, and if we want all of this data mining to happen, if we want people to be able to mine cryptos, we're gonna need more materials to do so. And copper is one of the most vital materials in that. So I'll go ahead and continue.
GSX holders are the trust beneficiaries of all land rights. What this means is that even if something was to happen to Apollo FinTech, the assets would be sold and the proceeds would go directly to the holders of GSX. 3. Growth. There will be a continual increase in the amount of mineral-rich land and gold backing of GSX. 50% of the metals mined after expenses and expansion will back GSX, so the asset value will grow constantly. The first-year minimum asset goal is $7 billion, making the individual asset value 23 cents to the US dollar.
I don't think you guys realize how big that is. Our total cryptocurrency market capitalization right now is at $356 billion. $7 billion is a huge chunk of value backing this crypto. The entire Ethereum blockchain is at 41 billion. XRP is at 10 billion. So this has a lot of potential to be up in these higher ranks in the future, especially as it's released, as it's traded, as there's more development in the project. I just wanted to emphasize that, because that's actually a lot of capital, you guys. That is a lot of money that they're adding. So awesome stuff there.
GSX second year is $20 billion in assets, making the asset value 66 cents per US dollar per GSX. And the third year is $30 billion in assets, making the asset value $1 per GSX. This trend should continue along a similar pace. 4. Audited. GSX gold and metal reserves will be continuously audited by some of the most respected auditing firms, such as BVA. 5. Dividends. GSX holders are entitled to yearly dividends of 50%.
Okay, you guys know we have Tezos, we have staking, gold-backed crypto with dividends. That is a huge feature that I can't emphasize enough in this video, that you get paid. This is like holding a stock and then getting dividends in your stock. That's a huge, huge value proposition, and I wanted to emphasize that real quick.
All gold and metals mined and refined after expenses and expansion. 6. Coin burn. 50% of the $10 billion offered that is not sold in CDE will be burned. The value.
So it's scarce, just like Bitcoin. It burns and there becomes less. So we have that driving demand and value as well.
Will move to the surviving GSX. 7. Redeemable. GSX will be redeemable for its gold value, so it will help to maintain a more constant price.
One of the issues with stable coins in the price is you get these huge fluctuations in price, because it's literally just saying, hey, we're pegging this to the dollar. Trust us, we're pegging this to the dollar. What's cool about GSX is they're pegging it to something that's real, and you can actually exchange your cryptos for real physical gold. So with that being said, it adds a lot of stability to the price, and long term will keep the growth curve a lot better, a lot more stable, a lot faster, just a better growth curve as an investor.
Quantum resistance. GSX will be one of the first quantum-resistant stable coins with the integration of the quantum steel cryptography algorithm. 9.
I don't think people realize how big that is either, because there are going to be a lot of blockchains that get attacked from quantum computing being significantly leaps and bounds more powerful than our current computing systems. And then they go against miners, they go against XYZ. Cryptos will be attacked by quantum computers in the future. So I think it's cool that they're planning for that already. So that's kind of my thoughts on the video, you guys. Awesome that they've released this. It's cool to see these updates coming out. Keeps me excited about the project. And just to kind of finish up what I'm talking about today and close up here today, you guys, this is a huge opportunity. It wouldn't surprise me if you 10x your investment easily. So whether you're just looking to flip it or whether you want to hold throughout the whole timeline and really get the most of this investment and benefit off the long-term investing, that's up for you. Links are in the description for you to sign up. I encourage you guys to hurry. I'll get this video out before this drops. I'm going to edit really fast. And I encourage you guys to read a little bit about it, watch some of the same videos, look these up, subscribe to their channel, get a little bit of information, look into their community. And this is just an awesome project that I'm very excited about today. So get ready for that copper mine to be added. Get ready for that exclusive information to be propagated. It will get out through the internet, but you heard it here first. So it's highly exclusive, and it's important that you are aware of it right now because the opportunity is big over the next little while. This pre-sale will end, and when you get in early in these pre-sales, you make the biggest profit potential. So I'm super excited about the GSX project. Links are in the description. I highly encourage you guys to click in the description right now, sign up, and get ready for this pre-sale. Get inside of this pre-sale because it's going to be extremely profitable and lucrative for you to do so. Big stuff coming in the crypto markets as a whole. More updates as I go. My next video will be coming soon as far as price action goes. Huge shout out to my VIP members. Thank you guys so much for being in the Discord, for following the signals. You guys already know there are a few coins that I posted signals that are in profit right now as we speak. So, keep holding those, and I'll keep you guys updated and posted as we go. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. Check out GSX in the description. Links are below. I appreciate every single subscriber, every single follower, every single commenter. You guys mean the world to me. I do not know where I would be without YouTube and crypto. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. Stay profitable out there. This is one of the best ways to do so. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future updates. As always, peace.